First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo there is that lever that needs to be pushed towards upside, and then we lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine, and this is the location for engine air filter. We will be using a Torx 25 bit just like that, but you can also use a Torx 25 screwdriver as well. Notice where the hosing is, there are two screws right there that we are supposed to take out. We'll punch in the Torx 25 bit screwdriver and then take that screw outwards. While taking the screw out, notice it gets stuck in the middle. At that moment, we'll be using a clip remover tool like that. Grab the screw with that tool and then push it upside until it's completely taken out. There it is, we got the screw taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the second screw. While taking it out, once it reaches to a point that it's not coming out anymore, then we'll punch in the clip remover tool, push it upside, and then take out the remaining part of it. Second screw is also out. Be extremely careful while taking out these screws. In case if you end up dropping them, then it will be extremely difficult to find and put them back. Now we will jump onto the side where you see the headlight and need to take out these two screws as well. Again, we punch in the tool and then take out the screw up until the middle. Same needs to be done for the bottom screw as well. Here I tried a slightly different approach. Once both the screws were taken out up until the middle, then we just manually punch in our fingers and then take it out instead of using a clip remover tool. Third screw is pulled out. Similar way, I will take out the fourth and final screw. Once all the screws are taken out, we'll grab the cover like this and then lift it upside all the way. And right there you will see the engine air filter. We'll go ahead and grab the filter from here and then wiggle it to a point until it completely comes out. And there it is. That is how we take out the engine air filter for this car. In my case, the filter has some 1000 more kilometers left, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side right here, it stays upside, and the other side like this stays at the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back. We'll make sure to lift up this filter all the way upside, just like that. And while holding it like this, we'll go ahead and punch in the engine air filter. Filter sits in there properly. We'll just make sure it is sitting in there from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Just make sure to put the cover down all the way. There, it's completely down. Now we'll go ahead and punch in all the screws that we took out earlier. Here what I'm doing is I'm going to punch in all the screws one by one manually. Again, just make sure you do not lose the screw while you are tightening them a little bit manually. Once all four screws are completely in position just like that, then we'll go ahead and bring in the Torx 25 bit screwdriver to tighten them all the way till the very end. There we got the first screw tight. Second screw is also tight. Now we'll tighten the third screw. Third one is also done. And there we are done tightening the final screw as well. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.